Hello guys, I just made a video yesterday, I posted it. Oh, sorry, something fell. So I waited a day because I thought another package was coming, and it said that it would be 2 different days that this package would come. Half of it would be here one day, half would be the other. Nope, all came on the same day. So here I am now. I'm going to just do a simple unboxing video of this and showing what I've got and show you there's stuff I was talking about yesterday. So I blurted out all my name and stuff. That's really tight tape. Just make sure I have a good focus. Okay, well, here's one thing that you see instantly on top. I'll go over all this in detail. Something else, let's see what that is. Something hidden in here. Some other stuff right here. And some little boxes stuff. Okay. Alright, I guess start from smallest to biggest. So, I'm just gonna start with this. So you just slice it open. Is a mini, oh wow, they were really adamant about wrapping this thing. I know, I'm using a knife. Okay. Headers. Potentiometer. Ooh, my camera's like over here. Potentiometer. Headers, of course. Okay. Here's this is a 2x1 LCD screen. I think I'm gonna have to order something else to get this thing running. Forget what it is, but here's a 2x16 LCD screen, which means it's 2 columns. I'll flip it away the right around. 2 columns high, 16 rows long. So that's one thing. I'm just gonna set that off to the side. Second thing, this box, which is a tape that. Yes, of course they taped it. Gotta make sure it doesn't come open during shipping, even though it's got a lock on it. Okay. This is a assortment of push buttons, and here is the list of all the push button types. I'll focus on that. Okay. So it's got it goes anywhere from these extremely tall ones, which are good for punching through things, and then you have these really, really flat ones that I can barely press. I'd use my nail. So that's something else. Next, that's the package. So okay, I guess I'll do this next. See what it's sounding like. Just some more information about it. Okay. Open it up. It says, get a free product, simple sharing, but visit sunfounder.com and click make money. Okay. That'd be interesting. So this is a Sunfounder Arduino. Basically just an Arduino, but it's a cheaper version by Sunfounder. And don't know if it's much different. It's all compatible with Arduino IO. So I just needed a cheap one. I didn't need to get a fancy thing or anything. I'm just trying to get this out of the box or cage, because seriously. There. Same thing as an Arduino. Here, I'm going to zoom if I can. Might try to zoom in, but it's not letting me. Okay, I'll just bring it up. Okay, so it has all your digital pins as normal. Has all your analog pins, which analog, I'm going to do a video on Arduino, so that'll be another thing. You have power pins, and these are just for something else. Standard Arduino, so good to have that. I'm going to throw all of my trash in there, which it's quite a bit of stuff. Now I'm happy I got this. I don't know if should I say? I won't say what it is, how much it was all costing. So, this bag, unlabeled, even has 5 little keypads. Here, should have a decent sized camera view to be able to display them all. Yeah, let me just slide that up. This is a computer over here, that's what you see. Okay. 5 keypads. This was $10. I could have got 2 for $10, so I got 5 for 10 because it was obviously a better deal. Flat. They are just thin little flat things that you can stick. Let me just try to. They always have to make everything complicated. I'm not joking. Like, this is really thick adhesive. So if I were to peel back, you can see how it's all, the grid and everything's laid out. So, pretty simple. Yeah. So that is going to be for a project I'm working on. I can show you guys the code. I'll make a Google Doc with the code, and I will explain what it does once I build it. It's going to need a lot of tweaking. It's for a project I'm working on, which will be a video series on that project. So, here, there's something else about these. So you notice how these are black and these are just normal colored? That's just to indicate rows and columns, which I do not know. I forgot which one's which, columns or rows. Here, I'll do it easily. Rows are the white ones, columns are the black ones. So, because I just peeled up in the bag. So, flat little tactile ones. These are guaranteed to work probably outside because they're just that. Okay, this was $30, cheap. All-in-one SATA and IDE drive, well, docking station, and it does also a bunch of other stuff. USB 2.0, 3.0, hard drive, SATA, IDE 2.5 and 3.5 inch. If you're still using like 5-inch drives, then there's something wrong with you. Those things are really ancient. I'm gonna try to focus on that. I can barely even read it to my own camera. It supports Windows, which it should, and Mac. You can use it to clone drives if you want. So anything else really important? If you want to read how that works, pretty simple. Different model, different other things about it. It's 12-volt, 5-volt, nothing special. It's actually a lot smaller than I was expecting. So you open it up. Okay, good already because one, they included a power supply. Okay, 12-volt, 3,000 milliamps, which is 1,000 milliamps is 1 amp, so it's 3 amps. 100 to 240 volts input. 50, 60 hertz, 1.5 amps, which is good. Nice big cable that it comes with. Pretty good. Okay, comes with a USB cable. Always good when they do. So, it's pretty good. Before I open that up, just get that to the side. Hardware, cloning manual, so you can clone hard drives if you want. Nothing special in there. Okay, let's get on to the main piece. So, I would put a hard drive in it, but that's what I'm using to hold up my camera. It's made of plastic, which I don't really care if it is or it isn't. So, I don't even know what that button's for. So, okay. I said so like so many times already. Even comes with protective, so it could still be shiny. So there's your SATA. Here is IDE. Yeah, there, IDE. So let's start at the front. So you have several different types of outdated technologies that you can support on this thing. USB 1.0 on the front. That sucks. Well, where's the 2.0? Yeah, it just says USB host on there. So I can just bring that up. So you have a CF slash, I need to take that off camera so I can be able to read it. CF slash MD, which that's a memory card. XD, which I think that should have been SD for an SD card, or it's a different type of SD card. TF or MS and then ST. So this has like a whole bunch of outdated stuff that no one ever uses anymore. So backside, on-off switch, power, SATA, which will take. It's interesting how it can use SATA, and it also has USB. So interesting. I have to peel that off. It bothers me. I like the shiny though. Okay, so that's it for now. It's already been an 11-minute video. So I'll just try to do a kind of a clip of everything that I have gotten. I'm just gonna drop the keypads there. Push buttons, the Arduino, the LCD, which I'm gonna put the LCD there. And that is it. So I'm not leaving anything out. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'm just gonna test out this dock real quick on a computer I have set up over there. So yeah, the camera's sitting on top of 8 hard drives right now. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.